Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. आज जो global cross currents है, they are slightly mixed but tilting towards the dollar positive. कैसे? मैं explain करता हूँ. कल US stock markets closed in the red because US जो unemployment claims है, which comes out every week, that fell to the lowest level since February. Now, what are unemployment claims? Basically, people who become unemployed, they look for support from the economic support or financial support government से. तो उसको बोला जाता है claim. So it gives you an indication of how much of unemployment is happening, and that has fallen to a lowest level since February. Our Fed ने बार-बार ये कहा है, the reason we have to keep hiking rates or keep the rates higher for longer, क्योंकि the US job market is very tight and that is supporting the wage growth, which is fueling inflation. तो इसके लिए centrality ये Fed का hawkishness का है ये US jobs market. So any indicator related to that is very important. Now, if you look at the Asian equity markets आज, they are in the red. But if you look at the dollar rupee, that is still not responding to what is happening in the equity markets. That's point number one. Point number two, if you look at the dollar index, it is strong. If you look at USD CNH, dollar is doing far strong. Dollar is far stronger against the CNH than against the rupee in the offshore. USD CNH के आसपास is inching towards 7.36. USDINR spot offshore 83.10 के आसपास है. Now there are no prizes to guess who could be behind this pushback in the USDINR. It looks like the central bank could be intervening very aggressively as they don't want a flare up in USDINR. We have seen that intervention happen relentlessly, right, in the spot, in the onshore as well as in the offshore markets. So 83.30 के आसपास on the spot is going to be a cap where RBI is going to come in heavily, as we have seen. Now, at the same time, because of the global cues, it is difficult for the market to breach 83 on the futures on the downside. So 83 से 83.30, 35 के एक broad range बनता है. So if the futures are going to open downward around 83, 10, 15 के आसपास, it's a buying opportunity. Stop loss रहेगा 82.95 के नीचे on a let's say 1 to 2 hour closing basis. मतलब you can, हो सकता है कि अगर मेजर कोई इंटरवेंशन आए उसके चक्कर में इंट्राडे इट गिव्स अ शार्प कट, बट इट मे नॉट सस्टेन देयर. सो इट इज बेटर टू वेट एंड सी. अगर वो सस्टेन हो रहा है कि 82.95 के नीचे सस्टेन हो रहा है, देन यू एग्जिट द लॉन्ग्स बिकॉज इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम द रिस्क मैनेजमेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. क्योंकि वी आर क्लोज टू द अपर एंड ऑफ द रेंज, इसके लिए इफ यू आर वांटिंग टू कैरी लॉन्ग पोजिशंस इनटू द वीकेंड, I would suggest use options rather than using futures. क्योंकि एक थोड़ा सा messy है अभी. एक तरफ RBI is coming in very actively, right? So what if global markets में एक corrective decline आ जाए in the dollar index and then you are caught in a downward correction once again in the USDINR. इसलिए if you are betting on a breakout and you want to carry the position over the weekend, it is better to use call options or some kind of a call option strategy. Not even short put. Now cross currencies में Euro INR, GBP INR, दोनों में we could see some stability because the US bond yields have pulled back. So some kind of a upward move can be seen in this currency pairs, but nothing significant. Yen INR maybe we could see a slight pullback on the upside, but it has been on a relentless fall, तो it is also oversold, तो एक upward pullback हो सकता है, right? But no big moves are expected in these cross currency pairs intraday. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.